Hello everyone, welcome again in this educative video. Today I am going to start the next chapter, chapter number 2, microorganism, friend and foe. As you know, you have seen various type of the living beings, plants, animals that is found around near about you. But we can't see that. Why? Because they are the can see by the microscope. It means it is the microbes. It is called the microorganism. Yes children, it is classified in the either the 6 types. Especially it is there is the algae, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, virus such as coronavirus. It is spreading nowadays in all our, not only the India, while the world are suffer by it directly and the indirectly. So today we are talking about it. Now let's see. First I want to introduce what is the microorganism and how it is there is the classified into various type of the branches. So first we are going to start the microorganism, friend and foe. First I want to talk with the virus. Yes, it's first there is the branch divide, there is the virus. Virus, it means where is the virus live inside our body. Yes, microorganism present everywhere, sky, earth, water, rocks, inside our body, outside our body. So suppose there is the live in our body, inside our body, so they are the living. Outside they live, so that is there is the non-living. So living inside and outside, non-living. Example, corona, as you know, it's mostly the play the anti-character and it creates lots of disease. It is spread the lots of diseases such as corona. It is very famous virus and due to this online classes is going on, plague and various. Second, now quickly I want to explain you second the fungi. It can't cook own food. As you know, you taught in the previous classes also 6, 7 about the fungi. So can't cook their own food, it means there is the heterotrophic and it is depend on the others. It is example is the bread. Later I show you about the bread and I will explain. Let's move ahead. The third one is the protozoa. Protozoa, it is also there is the heterotrophic and depend on the others and usually it found into the water. And here is the two type of the special protozoa we talk. First is the amoeba, second is the paramecium in the today's class. Now further we proceed. Next is the bacteria. It is mostly the unicellular bacteria. It have the various shapes such as the spherical shape, such as the rod shaped, such as the spiral shaped, such as the comma shaped. Now further we proceed. Algae. Yes children, here aquatic microorganism is the algae. I think you would have seen, most of you had seen the algae. It is the green layer found on the most of the river, pond, everywhere it is present. So it is there is the algae. Now we talk there is the microorganism as a friend and the foe. So especially today class I want to talk you especially the friend. Children, here I want to show a piece of the bread. It is the bread. It is also a commercial use. Bread is made by the microorganism, but it is there is the clean bread. You can watch this and guess children, it is there is the very clear, but here is the in this slide a few greenish colors. Sometime here is the happen the blackish dark color. So children, can you guess why there is the turn to white to greenish? It is the white slide. It is the slightly the greenish. Why it is plain white. Why it is greenish? Yeah, here in this green, here is the grow, the mold. It is the greenish color show the mold. It means it is also the kind of the microorganism, and by this we get the penicillin. It is also good for the few medicine. Later I talk. Now further we are proceeding. Today the microorganism as a friend and foe. Especially today we talk about the friend. Whence the friend, so we get as a friend microorganism, bread, idli, dosa, khaman, so many stuffy things by the friend, various type of the medicines by the microorganism. So first we discuss the microorganism. Microorganism, I ask, it is the microbe. It means a microbe that we can see by the microscope, not by our naked eyes. It can see by a tool, that name is the microscope. So it is a microscopic organism which may exist it in single cell, sometime found in the multi-cell, sometime it remain in the colony. It form the colonies. So it is microorganism. Now can you guess what is this? So many, here is the picture. Can you guess? Yes, it is the different type of the microorganism. Now further we are going to see classification of the microorganism. Microorganism mostly divided into 5, either the 6 branches, especially the bacteria, as I asked in the beginning, then the fungi, then the protozoa, that is aquatic, most of amoeba and the paramecium is the example, then the algae, its example is the Cladomonas, either there is the Spirogyra. Now further is the last is the virus, example is the coronavirus. Now further we are going to see the first one is the bacteria. Bacteria are microscopic, single celled, and there is an organism that exists in their millions in every environment, both inside and the outside other organism. Some bacteria are harmful but more severe useful purpose. Few are the severe useful purpose, and they support many forms of the life, both plant and animals, and they are used in industrial and the medicinal condition, position. They support for the medicinal process, for the medicinal production. Bacteria based on the shape, yes, it is the differentiate, it is the classified on the basis of the shapes. So first there is the spherical, it means there is a cocci, it is there is the found in the cocoons, it means there is the circle. Are you watching? Here is the, it is shown circles. Second is the rod shaped. By the name we can come to know rods. Its shape is the such as the capsules. It is the rods. Now further the comma shaped vibro, and it is there is the vibram. It is shaped, there is the comma, once we put, once we write any type of the para, then we put, there is the comma, so it's shaped like that. Further we talk, there is the spiral. Spiral, it means there is the spirillum, it is shaped, it is called the spiral. Further we are going to see in this second is the fungi, virus of the fungi, otherwise known as there is a mycovirus. In fact, many medicinally and the commercially important fungi, but often do not cause obvious signs of the diseases. And microvirus may have evolved to minimize their burden upon fungi, and because their entire life cycle occurs exclusive within their host cell. Yes, they most of the depend on the host cell. It is the picture of the fungi. Now let's see further. Protozoa. Protozoa is an informal term for the group of single-celled eukaryotes, either free living, either the parasitic, and it is special character. Most of generally it is aquatic. It is most of time found in the water, which feed on organic matter such as other microorganisms or the organic tissues in the debris. Now further move ahead, it is the picture of the amoeba. It have the speciality pseudopodia. Pseudo it means there is the false feet. By that it can move from one place to another places. Now further we are going to see it is the paramecium. Paramecium also found into the water. So it is also the protozoa. Now further we talk about the bread mold. As I asked you what is the bread mold, in the beginning I showed you the picture, the slide of the bread mold. It is greenish. It is turned into the greenish. It means here is the growing the microbes. Okay, it showed sometime the green, sometime it is the blackish. So it is there is the green mold. It is seen children. Here is the kindly see here in the picture. Here is the seen few darkish color, but once we see it into the microscope, then sometime we get its color is the green. Now let's see further. It is penicillium and it is the picture of the penicillium. Now further we see this. Now this is there is the aspergillium. It is also a part of the microorganism. Now we see further branch that is divided. It is the viruses, and everybody now here there is a 0 to there is all age group person familiar with the coronavirus. So here first we talk about the virus. A virus is submicroscopic infectious agent. Yes, it is the infectious agent, and that there is the replicate only inside the living cell such as coronavirus. It is also replicating of an organism. Virus infect all types of the life forms, and from animals and plants to microorganism, and including bacteria, and there is the archaic. Now further we are going to see it is there is the bacteriophage of the virus, and most of this virus found in the river Ganga, and that is why their water is the very clean and pure. Now further one question, there is a where did microorganism live? As in the beginning I asked, microorganism found everywhere, in the sky, in the rock, on the earth, in the water, outside the body, inside our body, everywhere microorganism present, everywhere they remain. So here microorganisms are found in almost every habitat present in the nature.